Hello Superuser, so today we're going to learn how to put fermatas on rests. So often you'll have one part with a fermata with notes while you have other parts resting, and it's just a good practice to have fermatas in every single part. And you'll notice by default, you cannot enter fermatas on rest. Like if we go to apply an articulation and we hit fermata, select it, nothing happens. So if you're in 4/4, one workaround may be, well, you just enter a whole note and then make it a rests. And once you do that, you can apply the fermata on the rest and then copy it to all the other staves. But this doesn't always work. For instance, you're not always in 4/4. Let's say you're in something like 3/4, and you still want a fermata on that rest. Well, if you go like this, make it a rest, and then put a fermata on it, it doesn't look like a normal rest with a fermata on it. Instead, we want a normal whole rest in any time signature with a fermata. So here's how we do it. I'm just going to start by undoing that. So select the notes you want to have the rest on. Come over here to plugins, and we're going to go to note, beam, and rest editing, and go to change to real whole rests. Now it looks like nothing's happened, except for now we can actually place a fermata on these, because these are real whole rests. Like they're actual notes that I can change and move around. And so that's it. All you have to do is just come up here to plugins, note, beam, rest editing, change to the real whole rests, and there you go. You have a fermata on a rest no matter what time signature you have. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like. Each week I post content about how to use Finale to its fullest. So if you don't want to miss out on any of those videos, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so that we get notified as soon as a new video comes out.